Hello, friends. As you all know, I'm Jade. I am back again. Can you guess what I have brought for you? Have you ever wondered how your favorite snack turns into energy? Or why your stomach growls when you're hungry? Let's dive deep into the journey of food inside the human body. Welcome to Supriya Scholar Studio. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain and utilize food to carry out various life processes. In humans, it involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Next, we are going to see the modes of nutrition. Humans are heterotrophs, which means we depend on other organisms, plants and animals for food. Unlike green plants, we cannot make our own food. Let's see the human digestive system step by step. So the first process involved in this is ingestion. Nutrition starts in the mouth itself, where food is chewed by teeth and mixed with saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that starts breaking down starch into sugars. The next step is the digestion, which occurs in the stomach and small intestine. The chewed food called bolus travels through the esophagus into the stomach, where it mixes with gastric juices containing pepsin and HCl to digest proteins. Then it enters the small intestine, the hero of digestion. In the small intestine, the liver secretes bile to break down fats, and pancreas releases enzymes like trypsin and lipase to digest proteins and fats. The breaking down of fats by the bile is called as the emulsification of fats. Then the next step is the absorption. Tiny finger-like projections called villi in the small intestine absorb the digested nutrients into the bloodstream. The next step is the assimilation. The absorbed nutrients are then transported to body cells where they are used for energy, growth and repair. The last step is the egestion. The undigested and unabsorbed food passes into the large intestine. Water is absorbed and the remaining waste is eliminated through the anus. Now let's know about some fun facts and importance of a balanced diet. Do you know your small intestine is around 6 meters long? That's almost the height of a giraffe. Also, your stomach lining regenerates every few days to protect itself from acid. Eating a balanced diet rich in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals keeps the system working smoothly. So next time you enjoy a meal, remember the incredible journey it takes inside your body. Like, share and subscribe for more such amazing science stories from Supriya Scholar Studio. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.